Good day children. Yesterday we practiced the print way part 1 and we learned how to draw C, A and D. Today we are going to draw G, Q which are based on the pattern C only, and then we'll practice E and O also, which are also based on the pattern of C. So here we go. First you are going to draw C to make G, okay, and then make a straight line and twist it like this. Make C, make a straight line and twist it from the bottom towards your left. That is G. So this is print handwriting. In print handwriting you don't join the letters, you make them separately. Okay, like this. You don't make slant letters also, you make straight letters. The line should be straight like this. It should not be slant line. If you are writing G's closely, then you will make it separately, but you will write so close. Your letter should not overlap the other one. Letters should be written separately only. 4 G's I have written together. Okay. So next letter is Q. Again it will be in straight line. This line should be straight. It should not be slant. Q, straight line and twist it towards your right. Q, make a C, straight line, twist it towards your right. C, to make a Q and straight line and twist it towards your right. Make a C, then join a straight line with it and twist it towards your right. Make a C, then make a straight line and twist it towards your right. Again, if you are making Q's closely, you will draw like this. There should be a channelized gap. It should not be drawn closely. Okay, this one is wrong. I have made them close. So you have to make it separately. It should not overlap. It should not overlap. It should not overlap. Overlapping means when you draw a letter on another, just like I have written this G like this. It is overlapping. It is overlapping. And you should not overwrite also. Overwriting makes your handwriting bad. Now let us draw E. E is drawn like C only, but we have to start from here like this. Okay, you start C from here, but E you are going to start from here like this. Like this. It should fit in half of the single line. Okay, in half of the single line. Your E should not be bigger than half size of the single line. It should cover only half part of your single line. E. E. Then if you are writing E's closely, then you are not going to overlap. You will write it like this. Okay. Now let us practice O. This is O. O is also drawn like C, but you are joining it here. Okay. You are going to start like C and you are joining it here like this. Start like C. This is C, but you are joining this from here. Then it will make a circle. Start like C. Drawn like this. Don't draw O like this. Okay. Draw it like this. Start like C and join it like this. Start from C and then join the C like this. If you are drawing O's closely, then you are not going to overlap. You will draw closely like this. Overlapping means if I am writing O here and then again next O I am joining here like this, so this is wrong. This O is overlapping this one. Okay, in the same manner, if you are writing E and you are overlapping this E here, it is wrong. Okay, it is wrong. Overlapping is wrong. In the same manner, if you are writing Q and if you are overlapping next Q like this, it is wrong. So overlapping is wrong. These are wrong. You can see Overlapping is something wrong, and overwriting is also something very bad, which makes your writing bad. Okay, beta, thank you. Practice this today. We will continue part 3 tomorrow. Have a nice day. God bless you.